I'm in Atlanta right now, but these last few weeks, it was a point of this last week where in a 7-day span, I was in Atlanta, I was in Texas, and then I was in Vegas. 7 days in a week, I was in them 3 states for some of them 7, like 3 states in a week type vibe. And in them 3 states, like I live in Atlanta, you know what I'm saying? This spot, this home. Texas, it was fun. Vegas, it was crazy. Vegas was crazy, I ain't gonna lie. If y'all don't follow my other channels, I vlogged all of this, you know what I mean? Because somebody gonna be like, man, it's literally on camera. That's all, the reason I do it, right? But life did not used to be like that. I guarantee you life did not used to be like that. I consider my life right now like, damn, this shit crazy. Like, I be waking up like, oh my gosh. But life didn't used to be like that. And I can feel that coming again where like now traveling is kind of getting like, oh, I'm used to this, which is bad. And I'm gonna tell you why it's bad. Because when your life is repeatable, when your life is, it could be a busy life, it could still be boring, right? You don't want a boring life because of comfort. Comfort makes your life boring. Comfort makes your life terrible. Comfort makes your life, ugh. That's why y'all be hearing the people who got the 9 to 5s that be like living for the weekends. You know what I mean? That do everything and then on the weekends they let loose and then go in a recycle again. We don't want to be like that. You know what I'm saying? I used to be exactly like that, right? I'm gonna tell you my schedule. This used to be my schedule Monday through Friday. Monday through Friday, I used to wake up early. Crazy enough, bro, I always woke up damn near 5 o'clock in the morning, especially at this time. I used to wake up early, 5 a.m. I used to walk to the bus. I used to get on a bus to go to school, probably make it to school around 9, go to school, get out of school, head into work. I was probably getting to work around like 5, twilight shift. That's what it was called. Oh my gosh. If y'all just see me like bust a smile, like I just reminisced on that. Oh my gosh. I used to work something called twilight, bro. And as you can see, I'm smiling now because back then I wasn't smiling, twin. I wasn't smiling, twin, but I can appreciate where I came from. So let me run it back. Damn, that just brought back memories. I used to wake up at 5 to walk to the bus. Get on the bus to go to school. Get out of school to go work the twilight. Get off twilight around like 9 o'clock maybe. And then when I get off, I would ride the bus and the train back home. Get home probably like 11. My whole day, Monday through Friday, bro. That was my whole day. And then on the weekends, I chill with my girlfriend. I don't even want to do nothing. I just want to come over here, please. Let's cuddle. Let's order some food. You know what I'm saying? Calm now, you know? Like, get here now. You know what I mean? That was the vibe. That was the vibe. It was comfortable and predictable. When I say comfortable, comfortable doesn't always mean easy. Comfortable can also mean predictable. Comfortable can also mean you know exactly what's going to happen. Comfortable can also mean I know that I'm not going to die. You know what I mean? It wasn't until I started YouTube, right? And everything just was like, oh my gosh, this week we going out of town. This week we doing this. This week we gonna travel here. This week every day was different. Every day was unpredictable. And every day thus became more fun, more out there, more outgoing. And today I'm about to give you guys the framework on how you can make your life uncomfortable, thus very fun. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's a fun time when you're doing stuff that's like of rigor and of challenge. And most importantly, leading you somewhere that you want to go. That's a very, very fun place to be. So we're going to talk about how to do that, how to actually have fun with life, right? And like I told y'all, bro, this month I done probably been to 4 different states. And I remember telling my girl, I was like, I ain't gonna lie, like getting on a plane becoming normal. Like, and I don't like that. Nigga, I'm about to have to travel by ship. I'm about to get on a fucking ship because this shit it's getting too normal. Hopping on a plane. No, we have to go to the sea. I have to parachute. Let me stop. You know what I'm saying? No. So first and foremost, find something that you want to do. Find something that you enjoy to do. Find something that works with you. Find something that ain't got nothing to do with nobody else, that got something to do with you that you like to do. It could be basketball. It could be football. It could be lacrosse. Let me stop saying sports. It could be making and wearing clothes. It could be watching videos. Bro, it's people out here getting paid to watch videos. reaction videos and shit, bro. Find something that you enjoy to do. Find something that is up your alley. Find something that resonates with your personality, bro. Find something that you could take through the roof. Find something that you could do, scale, and go crazy with, bro. Find something you enjoy to do. Not nobody else, not the person down the street, not your friend, not them people on Instagram. Find something that resonates with your heart. You know what I mean? For me, bro, it was recording videos. I would record videos for free. If you don't believe me, bro, my first 10 YouTube videos were unlisted. I didn't even public them hoes. I actually deleted them. You know what I mean? What y'all think my first YouTube video was probably like my 10th, 11th, 12th. I was doing it way before that, bro. I was just not posting them because I would do it for my personal satisfaction. Find something that you like to do. Now, this next step number 2, is going to be the most uncomfortable one. It's going to be the most uncomfortable one, but I guarantee you this is one that's going to quantum leap you, bro. This is going to quantum leap you. Find other people that enjoy the thing that you like to do. Oh my gosh, it's going to quantum leap you, bruh. I got to turn my hat around, bruh. It's going to quantum leap you because not only are you getting in other environments, not only are you changing your people that you around that's been keeping you comfortable, you around other people that's like to do what you do. So y'all going to learn so much. Y'all going to get so much insight. Y'all going to get so many nuances. Y'all going to get so much material to work with that every day is going to be fun. Every day y'all going to be bringing things to the center like, bro, I learned this. What you learned? Oh, you learned that. Pete this. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Y'all boys going to be going crazy, or girls. You know what I mean? Depending on who you is or girl. Y'all gonna be going so crazy. Y'all gonna be doing things that you never even imagined that was possible because everybody has the same goal. And 2 is better than 1. 5 is better than 2. And if 5 people got the same goal, 5 people got the same thought process, 5 people got the same, you're gonna be dangerous. You're gonna be a cheat code. But it's uncomfortable as fuck because all your old friends that don't like to do the things that you do, you ain't gonna have that much time to talk to them no more. It's gonna be kind of weird because like you used to talk to that person every day, but y'all grew apart. So it's like, damn, I can't chop it up with my old homeboys. You gotta make that decision. If you want to keep living a boring ass life, bro, keep doing the same boring ass shit. You know what I'm saying? Like, if you want to take that leap to the next level, bro, you gotta do uncomfortable stuff. You gotta be uncomfortable, bro. And that's just what it is. Move out your hometown. Go somewhere else. Meet new people. Talk to new people. You know what I'm saying? Text new people. Hit new people up on Instagram. You know what I'm saying? Like, join communities. Join my community. Why you not in my community yet? You know what I'm saying? You say you want to be a YouTuber, but you're not in YouTuber University. I got YouTubers in there, 10,000 subscribers, 20,000 subscribers. You know what I'm saying? In there chopping it up right now. You can meet your whole next YouTube friend group because you said your people don't want to do YouTube. You told me that your people don't want to do YouTube, but you don't want to do YouTube either because you're not in YouTuber University. If you want to do YouTube, you'll be in there chopping it up with everybody, taking the audit calls with me, asking me questions, me answering you would already be in there talking about that. You know what I'm saying? If you wanted to do YouTube, I don't believe you want to do YouTube. And that goes for anything. If you want to make clothes, take your ass to one of them pop-up shops and talk to them clothing brand owners. Because they going to show you the way. You're going to make friends with them and all y'all going to succeed. All y'all going to eat. You know what I mean? But you hanging out with people that don't do the same shit you do. You see what I'm saying, bro? That's just how the world works. That's just how everything works. When you find other people that doing the things that you want to do, doing the things that you enjoy, it's going to quantum leap you. It's going to upgrade you because everybody want the same thing and everybody going to teach everybody the same. You see, like, bro, it's such a cheat code. That's why I'm so passionate about it. And last but not least, probably the most important step. So step number 1 was the foundational step. Step number 2 was the most uncomfortable step. And now step number 3 is the most important step. And step number 3 is swap all your leisure time, all your weekends, all your free time, all your time away from work, and fill that with step 1 and step 2. All your leisure time, bro. All your weekends. Do that thing that you said you love to do. Now, I guarantee you it's going to work. I don't think that for a long period of time, if you spend more time on the thing that you love to do, more than you fucking work and make a living, that you won't be making a living from that thing that you love to do. It's just math. It's just science, bro. Congratulations. You have made it to the end of today's video, and I got a free gift for you. When you click the first link in my description, I'm giving the first 1,000 people a free trial to my brand new self-improvement community, AB Academy Self-Mastery. And here we have my 100 Days of Discipline Challenge, as well as we post exclusive content never before and never will be seen on YouTube. That sounds like something fun. Make sure you click the link in the description right now, because after 1,000 people join, we locking it up and we raising the prices, bro. So make sure you come in right now. We got a free trial. I'll see you in there. Let's see how disciplined you can be around people like me. Let's go!